In this video, we will be using Banner General Text Manager to update the title of the Award Letter tab within Banner Financial Aid Self-Service 9 in order to follow the Department of Education's standard terminology guidance and to better align ourselves with current USG initiatives. The purpose of Text Manager is to change or update text strings that are displayed in the Banner user interface to text that is more meaningful to your institution than the baseline text. These text strings are currently all stored in property files. Once you have defined a translation for an application, the text will automatically display in that application without having to restart it. Your customizations will be retained from release to release, and you can add more customizations at any time. There are 5 steps to the text customization process. First, you will create a project in the Text Manager Projects page known as GMA PROJ. Next, you'll configure that project in the GMA PROJ page before uploading properties either in the Text Manager Properties page known as GMA UPLD or through the self-service application. You can then customize your text in the Text Manager Interactive Translator known as GMA TRAN. And lastly, we will review our tabs to ensure our changes have been made. So let's get started. First, let's log into the Application Navigator to create our project in the Text Manager Projects page by typing GMA PROJ. Here, we'll create our project code. Be aware that on occasion, the default project code may appear at this point in the process. Otherwise, we can create a new project code, which in this case we'll call Tab Updates. Then we'll give our project a description. Here, we will use FA Tab Updates. Then click on Save. Next, we'll need to configure our project. For self-service applications, there is only one required configuration key, which is ban_app. And for today, we will use the value of student self-service before once again saving our project. Next, we'll take a look at the existing Financial Aid tab that we plan to customize by going into Student Self-Service. The Award Letter tab seen here is what we're going to try and change to Financial Aid Offer. At this point, let's upload the appropriate properties files that we'll need to modify. To do this, you'll need to be logged in as a user who has WebTailor administrator privileges. Click on the Tools icon and then under Extensibility, choose Upload Properties. Our primary locale will be English, United States. You can then choose to upload all application resources to the database, but if you know the location of your targeted text strings, you can simply click the Advanced checkbox to directly choose the file. For the purposes of this demonstration, we'll choose plugins/Banner General proxy-0.1/messages. Let's also select plugins/Banner-FinA-UI-9.13/messages. Next, click Save. You can now see that the file numbers have populated off to the right of the directory listings. You can also see that the number of files saved up above now reflects 2. Now that our files are saved, we can go back to the Interactive Translator, or GMA TRAN, to customize our text. In this instance, our project code has already been populated as tab updates, and our source language will be root because we only uploaded a root language, which is English. Our target language will also be English EN. Then we can click Go. Let's search for the text string that we want to modify by using the source text of award plus a %sign that will act as our wildcard character. Then click Go. You can see here that 2 instances of the award offer are returned. By clicking on the arrow, we can change the target text to whatever we like. In this case, we'll be using financial aid offer. And on the resulting screen, we'll click Yes to commit the changes. You can now see that any source text listed as award offer has been translated to financial aid offer. Now click Save. Now, let's return to Student Self-Service to ensure that our tab has been updated appropriately. Click on Ellucian here at the top of the page to return to the home screen. Click Financial Aid, and we can see that our tab text has been changed. This concludes our demo on updating tabs in Student Self-Service using the Text Manager. You can also find the associated Ellucian documentation for Banner General Text Manager through the Ellucian Hub. Under Resources, choose Banner, then scrolling down to General, click Use, then scroll down and click on Text Manager Overview. You can then click Export, select a topic and subtopics, and generate a PDF for yourself. You can also click on the link in the video description to access the associated Ellucian documentation. As always, if you have any questions or run into any issues, please contact the ITS Help Desk for assistance.